Kim, you going grocery shopping? What you gonna get? Get some cleaner? Some detergent? Okay. What else? some more detergent? You can do lots of laundry. What about some bread? You gonna get some bread? Good job. Stand it up. There you go. What about some bread, Cam? Get some bread. Bread. Uh-oh. Bread. Come over here, Cam. Look at all the vegetables. Hey, Cameron. Cameron. Are you going to get some milk? Here, can you open the door? There you go. Get some milk. Good job. Good. Whoop! You okay? Good job. All right, get some vegetables. Cam, get some vegetables. Yeah, vegetables. Those are peppers. Peppers. You need more milk? Your buggy's almost full. More milk? Okay. You need more milk? Whoop! Good job. What else they got? Come here. Let's come over here. Cam. You got plenty of milk. Come here. What else? What else do they have? They have some meat. Can I get some meat? Those are potatoes. Get a potato? Yeah?